a job that doesn't pay. One more hour till I'm broken. It kinda kills me, but I know there's better days on the way. My boys will pick me up at 7. By 8 we'll be halfway to heaven. Under the stars out by the campfire light, keeping on until the dawn. I've been living for the backyard sunrise. I've been living for the nights that end too soon. I've been living for all these little things, the moments in between. Yeah, they're the ones that I'll miss, 'cause I've been living for some days like this. My father sat me down and said, son, you best quit thinking about the next one. Before you know it, years won't pass on by and slip away. Since that day, I've been living for the backyard sunrise. I've been living for the nights that end too soon. I've been living for all these little things, the moments in between. Yeah, they're the ones that I miss, 'cause I've been living for some days like this. Sunrise. I've been living for the nights that end too soon. I've been living for all these little things, the moments in between. Yeah, they're the ones that I miss, 'cause I've been living for some days like this. Here I am in this old town, still dreaming of the open road. I've been here for far too long. There's so much more than this I know. It's been years since I've been gone. I miss the way it feels to roam. This urge that's grown inside my heart to pack my bags and hit the road. I'm dreaming of the road again, set free in the wind. Feels like we found home again, on the road that's grown within. We will fill the tank and make our way down windy tracks and beaten roads. We'll drive away from this old town and find a place we've never known. With the summer sun over open plains, with the windows down, we'll drive along, and our hearts will grow as our troubles fade away. I'm dreaming of the